Imagine leaving the dazzling lights of the Las Vegas Strip behind, heading towards a monumental feat of engineering nestled in a stark, beautiful desert landscape. What kind of journey awaits you on the road to this incredible destination, one that promises both awe and serenity? The drive to Hoover Dam from Las Vegas is remarkably easy, often taking just 30 to 45 minutes, and it offers a surprisingly scenic transition from the bustling city to the vast, open desert and impressive mountain views. This journey primarily follows U.S. Route 93 South, a well-maintained highway that smoothly guides you from urban sprawl into increasingly dramatic natural surroundings. As you travel, the landscape shifts beautifully, revealing rugged rock formations and glimpses of the expansive Lake Mead. Approaching the dam, you will also cross the impressive Mike O'Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, which is an engineering marvel in its own right and provides stunning elevated views of the dam and the Colorado River. To make your drive as enjoyable as possible, ensure your vehicle has a full tank of gasoline before leaving Las Vegas, and bring along plenty of water and snacks, especially during warmer months. Plan to allocate a little extra time for potential stops at the Lake Mead overlooks, as they offer fantastic photo opportunities and a chance to stretch your legs. Pay attention to road signs, as speed limits can change, and consider an early morning or late afternoon visit to avoid peak crowds and the desert's most intense heat. An intriguing aspect of this drive is the visual storytelling it provides, showcasing the stark contrast between the vibrant, man-made oasis of Las Vegas and the raw, untamed beauty of the Nevada desert. The Hoover Dam Bridge, completed in 2010, offers an unparalleled vantage point that simply cannot be experienced from the dam itself, providing a sense of scale and accomplishment that is truly breathtaking. Ultimately, the drive to Hoover Dam is much more than just a commute. It is an integral part of the overall experience, gradually preparing you for the sheer magnitude of the dam itself. It offers a peaceful and picturesque journey, allowing you to appreciate both the natural beauty of the region and the incredible human ingenuity behind this historic landmark, making the entire day trip incredibly rewarding.